What's up everybody, Tony GP here. Today we're going to talk about S3 soap. S3 soap is our pH neutral formulation that is also infused with silica to add an extra layer of protection to your vehicle after a maintenance wash. The S3 soap is yellow and comes with a nice citrus scent. Again, very important to feel comfortable with the products that you're using when washing customers' vehicles. The citrus scent is nice and fresh. For you shop owners out there, S3 soap is the perfect soap for your business. Not only does it safely and effectively clean the customer's vehicle, but it also adds an extra layer of protection through the silica infusion. This is going to help make future washes and future maintenance routine washes on the customer's vehicle a lot quicker and easier for you to do.